one, baby. No. Say hi. Come on. No. Hey, say hi. You're in a full pampering mood, is it, boy? Okay. Okay, so if you are ever wondering what this light stand and the background rod, the background dropper, basically, that rod is actually useful for, it is obviously useful for dropping down the background cloth. But apart from that, it also has one more usage, especially in an audio studio. And that is as a headphone stand. Well, literally, guys, I've been using this as a headphone stand, and there's one more. There we go. 2 headphones, 1 rod. Here we have it. So this is really nice, guys. Why not, right? Anyway, welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. So this week it's all about getting ready for my upcoming concert on December 12th. That's actually the same day when this vlog is going live. Let's get started with the practice and everything. But before that, I'm also working on a royalty-free music track, which I'll have to roll out this Tuesday. So for that, I'm actually using all my recently purchased plugins. Tony Maserati Signature Series Bundle. All the plugins I'm using, guys, because I want to see how it really sounds. And I am able to see a difference. Probably I'll keep all those details for another vlog in the next week or the coming weeks probably. So I'm working on the track. Let's head over to the MacBook screen, to the webcam, and I'll just work on that for quite some time. And yeah, let's get going. Okay, guys, so I'm actually working on this royalty-free music track. It has a great vibe into it, kind of an energetic feel with all the clap beat and everything, and electric guitar going on in the background. A riff basically with soft piano and the grand piano and all those stuff. So it's kind of energetic. So I am really interested in seeing how this newly purchased Session Strings 2 would actually fit into this track. I really feel it will fit in nice. I have a melody running in my mind, so I really want to try it out and see actually how it fits in. Okay, guys, so the concert date is actually coming near. It's on 12th, this Saturday. So today is actually Wednesday, 9th. I'm actually arranging a couple of stuffs, which songs I'll be singing and what is the first song and the flow of the songs. Basically, I'm just writing them down. Okay, so I have created the quick notes which I can pretty much follow during the live. Other than that, I have been practicing, guys. I have been practicing a lot. Yeah, so the plans are to perform Meri Dua, Forever, One World, Faith, Hope and Love, and my another song, Adebiru. That is my song in Kannada language. So these are the 5 songs that I'm particularly focusing on, and I think somewhere around the entire live concert would be around 25 to 30 minutes maybe. Like Meridu, I'm performing with my guitar. One World, I'm performing with my keyboard with accompaniment. And Forever, I'm planning to perform with just the piano accompaniment. So I think it's gonna be nice. It's gonna be exciting. I'm really excited. I'm really excited. So yeah, so now what I have to do is I have to update some stuffs on the event page on Facebook, and actually share it across in some Facebook groups to some friends, invite some people onto that concert maybe. Let's see how it goes. Okay guys, so as you can see on the screen, I have actually set up this One World live concert live streaming. I have preset it up. I have actually scheduled it, and I'll be using OBS for the entire live streaming if any one of you are interested in knowing that. So that's a free open source broadcasting software, streaming software to be in layman terms. This is the first time I'm using live streaming. I have not done live stream until now on my YouTube channel, and I'm really excited for this. Okay guys, so now what I'm gonna show is the YouTube link. I've actually taken up the YouTube link, the scheduled YouTube link, and if anyone clicks on that YouTube link, this is how it shows. They can set their reminder and everything, so that's pretty neat. I'm excited, at the same time nervous as well, because this is my first ever live in concert. I've been telling it every now and then. Well, yeah, I think that's because I'm nervous. Anyway guys, I think that's it for this week's vlog. I don't have much to show about or much to talk about. I do have a lot to practice, which I'm gonna do tomorrow, day after tomorrow, and I will also push out the word on social media and all other places. I'll be really looking forward to see you all during the live. To subscribe, hit the bell icon, you know the good deed. Please do that guys, that will be really appreciated. Thanks a lot. Take care, bye bye, see you, peace.